Hey y'all, if you want to see how I got this hair look, just keep watching the video. Let's roll the clip.
Hey y'all, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair for an easier process. Then I'll be taking my Eco Styler gel and I'll be placing that throughout my whole head, and as you can see, I use a lot. Next, I'll be using a bristle brush to detangle my hair and put it into a ponytail. And if your hair is thick, it's best to detangle in sections, but since I was in a rush, I did this. Also, it's best to start at your ends first, then work your way to your roots when detangling your hair if you don't want to pull your hair out. Now that I've detangled my hair, I'll be separating my baby hairs from the hair that I want to put into my ponytail, and then I'll be using the bristle brush to form my ponytail. Now that I've formed my ponytail, I'll be using a hard brush and extra gel to lay down the hairs that I missed. To lay down my baby hairs, I'll be using a spoolie and a toothbrush and also edge control. I'll now be using the leftover edge control to lay down the back of my hair. Once I've laid down all my hair, I'll start forming my bun. This is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed. Tune in again. Thank you.